Hi guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'll be sharing my experience using Hilla app. Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how it works for beginners and how to sign up step by step. Okay, and I'm going to be sharing my honest experience using this app. This app is actually new. Yes, I saw it on the Play Store, then I decided to try it out. Okay, that's the reason why I bring it here. But before I proceed, disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. I am not a financial advisor and I don't guarantee any earning from this app. Always make sure you do your own research before using any online platform. Okay, do your own research very well. Remember, app can change their rules at any time. Okay, use wisely. Now, first of all, I want to show you how you can sign up on this platform successfully without you making a mistake. Okay, all you need to do is for you to head over to the Play Store, then go and search Hilla app. It's going to show. Then once you download it, I don't know if it is available on iPhone, but I downloaded my own with Android phone. Then I need to go ahead and sign up with my Google account. Okay, do not click on quick login. You need to use your Google account to register so that you will not lose your account. Okay, so I just sign in with my Google account now, and I want to go ahead and protect it. Now I'm going to choose the date of birth. Okay, so you are going to go ahead and choose your date of birth, then your gender. Okay, make sure you cross check your gender very well before submitting it. Okay, because once you submit your gender, you cannot be able to modify it again. So I'm going to go ahead and select female. Before clicking on next, make sure you are, if you are female, then choose female. If you are male, choose male. Okay, so do not make the same mistake, because once you made a mistake you cannot be able to modify it again. Now they're going to ask you select your country. Now I'm going to select English. Okay, the reason why is because if you're from Philippines and your Philippine is your language, then you can select it. If you're from India, you can select India. But if you speak English, go ahead and select UK. Okay, that is English language. Now it's going to bring you to this interface. They're going to ask you to your invitation code. So nobody invited me here. I don't have any invitation code. I need to go ahead and skip it. Okay, because nobody invited me. I saw this app on the Play Store. Okay, now you can see that they have hot, they have chat, they have game, they have party. Okay, where they can actually play game here. Okay, now I decided to go through the app to know how this app actually works. Okay, because I'm a new here and I need to walk around. Okay, as you can see, Philippines. Okay, so a lot of Philippines are here, and people that is not from Philippines, they're also here. So if you're in Africa, you can try this app out. Okay, because I'm in Africa right now. So as you can see, black people are already there. Okay, performing their tasks. I decided to go through the app to know people that is there. But I noticed that even Nigerians are there. Okay, if you're from Nigeria or any Africa country, you can try it out. I saw people from Ghana, a lot of Africa country are there already performing their tasks. But there is something about this app I want to show you. Okay, so let me just walk you through process step by step how you can use it successfully. Now, first of all, you need to go ahead and set up a profile picture. Very important, because I haven't set up my profile first. Okay, you need to add your photo and also verify some certain things on the app. Now you can see inbox, you can see explore, you can see party, you can see me. Okay, you are going to click on me. Okay, once you click on me, you want to bring out this interface. You can see that automatically, once you're on the app, automatically it's going to select Philippines, but you can change your country if you want. Okay, so you can see that my email name is still there, so I have to remove it and answer my real name on this app. Okay, now I'm not going to be changing my country, though I'm going to leave it on the Philippines like that. Okay, but later I will change it later. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and select and write my name, Miracle. That is my nickname. Okay, my nickname. Then I'm going to write my nickname. Okay, you're going to see a Miracle. then you're going to see my profile is set up. Okay, I need to go ahead and upload my profile picture. Okay, if you like, you can upload the profile picture, but I would advise you to upload the profile picture. You can see your language. If you're from Philippines, um and it does not understand English, you can choose your language. Or India, if you're from English, choose the same English language. Okay, now you're going to add your signature. Okay, so right now you're going to see they have coins, they have income and all of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose the profile picture I want to use here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select this photo. Sorry, I'm going to be covering my gallery because of my security reason. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and click on this photo and use it. Okay, I'm going to be using the face now. You can see that it's going to load, then it's going to appear like this. Okay, already I've automatically added my photo of my profile. Okay, so very important. Okay, make sure you add it. Do not just leave it like this and be staying online. Okay, now you are going to see become a coin seller. So if you are type that wants to become a coin seller, you can just click there and join, become a coin seller on this app. Okay, now you are going to see life option, and you're going to see stay active and receive reward. Okay, you can see stay active, unlock rewards. Okay, you need to click on stay active and unlock reward on the. I'm going to make sure I add that row on this particular place. You can see that if you stay online for 30 minutes, you're going to receive 1005 star. Okay, if you stay online for 60 minutes, you're going to receive 15. If you stay online for 90 minutes, you're going to receive 15 again. If you stay online for 120 minutes, you're going to receive 15 again. Okay, that is how you're going to be unlock this reward once you are online. But you don't need to go and be sitting on the seat. Even if you don't sit on the seat, as far as you're online pressing your phone, then your tax is reading. You don't need to stay on the seat, like you don't need to do anything. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how I later receive my tax, because I'm actually recording this video and I cut everything. I keep on doing my tasks, and after that I decided to record it and show you guys that I stay active here. I didn't even sit on seat for, let me say, even 2 seconds, and I receive 1005. And like now I'm making this video is actually night on Sunday, and I'm going to be posting this video by Monday. Okay, now, and I have done with my tasks. Right now I'm recording this particular video. Now I decided to go to this seat and sit down. Okay, so as I'm sitting there, I started to ask them some few questions, at least to navigate the app more. You can see that they're actually sitting there. It doesn't mean that even if they don't sit on the seat, they will not receive the task. So no, even if they don't sit, they will receive the tax. Now you can see this party. You see this party, you cannot be able to go party unless you contact the support. This is the rules here. Okay, okay, you need to contact a support before going live or creating party, before you can become a host on this app. But even if you did not contact the support at the moment, but I would advise you, once you want to create your room or for you to become official host, you can go ahead and contact them. Okay, now you can see that I'm staying online and I'm going to be claiming this 1005. Okay, once I claim it's going to come here to this point. Okay, once it's added here, then is the diamond is the one I'm going to be withdrawing. As you can see, 100 diamond is actually $10 on this app. As you can see, 100 star, that is 100 points, is the equivalent of a 100 diamond. Okay, and you can see that once you earn this point, this star, now you can actually exchange it to diamond. The diamond is the one you're going to be withdrawing. Okay, so make sure you exchange it. Okay, unlock it, then exchange this point to diamond, because the diamond is the one that you can withdraw on this app. Okay, so this is how this place work. All you need to do is for you to stay active on this app and be performing your tasks. Even if you don't stay on mic, it's fine. But like I said before, I would advise you that once you want to create your room, you can actually go ahead and contact them. Okay, like now I'm recording this video, I've already contacted them. I've already contacted, waiting for their response. Okay, you too, you can do it, or you join an agency from your country on the app. I am not an agency, okay, but I'm actually go ahead and join official agency. Okay, you can go ahead and contact them and become official host, so that when you want to withdraw, that one will not become a problem, because you don't know, app rules can change at any time. Okay, it's a new app. Okay, so like I said before you downloading it, then make sure you do your own research. Okay, because I'm just sharing my personal experience, what the experience I have on the app. Okay, now you can see that this is how they invite their friends and in. Okay, if you want to invite your friends, then you can see that this is how to do it. Then you need to go ahead and click on invite and invite your friends. Then once your friends is staying online and doing their tasks, you're going to be receiving points. Okay, so guys, like I said before, this app, I just found it new. And I found it very okay, because you don't even need to stay on the live streaming, or you don't even need to stay on the mic before your tax is counting. I'm actually doing it now. That is the reason why I bring it here. If you have tried it, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, because I just downloaded this app. If you have been using it, tell me your experience, what you have experienced so far about this app. Okay, this app is actually on the Play Store. You can see it is official on Play Store. Okay, you can see Hilla app. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.